Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 3:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, October 29th, and a nice rally today off of a swing low that we saw on a higher time frame, which was the daily chart that we marked around noon. Perfect little pullback, all the market internals corroborating that move to the upside, and we're still chewing around right on and near the highs of the session. So if you look at the way this traded today, nice up gap. Not even a gap fill to speak of, just a little bit. Came right back up into resistance, chopped around for a while, broke out a couple times actually, and marched higher all day long, right at some of our resistance spots. So I really like that. We are again experiencing some overhead resistance at the declining 100 MA on a 15-minute chart, chopped around there for a while, and also this round number that we saw from before, 107 as being resistance. 106.35 was resistance, broke out of that, using that as support. So this whole line becomes relevant. So support a couple times, breaks, resistance, nice ascending triangle, breakout, now that's support. So we're chewing our way higher on some pretty good sized volume. And it represents a nice 100% retracement of the sell-off at the 200 MA on a 60-minute chart. So it kind of bounced here for a while at the 107 mark, fell out of bed on pretty good sized volume, and then now we have a 100% retrace of that. So again, be careful how you go long into the face of this. All right, and catching a falling knife isn't the most fun thing to do, but doing a 30-minute strategy, for instance, would have been great today in hindsight. If you didn't catch that, again, just mark this as a higher swing low now, and keep that as a sentiment read in your camp for a while. So there's the regular session just closed. And let's take a look at the market internals now. So almost all day long, the trend was below 0.75, and we closed at 0.58. So 2 times the volume flowing into stocks on the incline versus the decline. Trend Q was at an amazing level of 0.39, which is almost in some ways overbought. So be careful about how this. It seems just a little bit overbought to my eye, although it can go much lower, of course. And the VIX really did a nice job of selling off here, or going lower right back into this area of support, this consolidation back here. So that is a run around at least the broad markets. The bank, looking for some confirmation, rallied nicely as well. Not quite into the most significant resistance I've seen before. I would put that there next to the swing high, so just a little bit of this confirmation at the swing high to work through, which it has now tested. Get that as straight as possible. And so we're marching right back up into a 100% retrace of that. That's fantastic. So with all this being said, some of the catalysts for that move today in the broad markets anyway was the third quarter grew for the first time in over a year, the economy, but people are still wondering and if that can continue. So we'll keep our eye on that as well and watch how people digest this information and be one step ahead. So that's fantastic. Well, again, nice working with everybody this week so far, and we'll look forward to talking to you tomorrow as well.